Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your February's last week's exclusive love reading. So if you're in a situationship, complicated relationship or marriage, this reading is for you if your sign is Cancer, Sun, Moon or Rising, whatever sign you resonate with the most. I resonate with my Sun sign, some people resonate with their Moon sign and some with their Rising sign. So you have to check yours and how will you get to know? You'll get to know from your birth chart. So let's see, your cards are already out. How is your love life going to be? You've got the Four of Moons and the Emperor, which is again 4. So Cancers, you could be seeing 4 a lot. Please try and Google the meaning of it because every number has a different meaning. Then you've got the 10 of Stars and the Chariot. Now, some of you, I feel that are dealing with Gemini, okay, Sun, Moon, Rising, or you might have Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising in your own birth chart. Now, I do have a couple of announcements to make, which I will be making in the end, so please stay tuned, okay. Uh, your cards are talking about some sort of blockages and hurdles in your love life. I do see that if you are in no contact, you could have blocked each other, right? You are like completely blocked each other from social media also, from WhatsApp also, and like that. I do see that there are chances of reconciliation in your life. I do see these blockages going away and a lot of balance and stability coming into your life. It could be that you're in a relationship for long or in a marriage, all whatever problems were there, you got angry, you blocked each other, but now the things will start to smooth up again and there will be reconciliation which will bring a lot of stability and balance into this relationship. For some of you, I also see that your father or your father figure or head of the family has a very important role to play when it comes to your love life, right? Or your personal life, so to say. I do see that maybe they want you to marry a girl or a boy of their choice, or at least they have a criteria, the list that you will have to follow. Now I also see that this might be creating a lot of problems for you because maybe they are not agreeing with the choice you have right now. Now this is to tell you that this person might be authoritative, your father. He might be a little strict, right? But he's very, very protective of you. So whoever is watching this, and if your parents or your father figure, head of the family, elder brother, whatever, is trying to guide you in some way in your personal life, I would advise you to please listen to them because they might come across as strict or authoritative or dominating, but at the end of the day, they are looking out for you. They do have your best interest. Okay, so my suggestion will be to go with their choice or what they are saying. At least listen to them and try to understand where they are coming from. To others of you, I do see some sort of sadness and tears because of the breakup or a heartbreak that happened recently or long time ago. I do see that you have been desperately waiting to move on because somewhere you were going into a phase of depression, right? You might still be crying over that person, you might still be overthinking about that person, and if that person is not coming back, you must have even prayed to God to let you move forward in life. Now God has finally heard you, and to people who are not looking for reconciliation but still are looking for a new person, a new fresh start in their life, that is what is going to happen. Okay, so I do see the Chariot here. Your life will start moving forward. You will also find somebody new. Now, I also see that this person you find can be while traveling. Okay, maybe you're traveling and you find this person, or this person and you could be at a distance as well. So it could be like a long distance. It could be that you're moving to a new city, state, country, and that is where you will find this person, or somebody from other city, state, country will specially travel to come and see you, or they are from a different country background and stuff like that. If a reconciliation is happening for you, then I also see that this person could be specially traveling to come and see you, or you are specially traveling to go and see them. But any which ways, I do see traveling. If you guys have patched up and if you are in a relationship or marriage, you could both be traveling together, okay, like a vacay or a patch up moon, whatever. So, but any which ways, your personal life is going to move forward for sure. Now, I do not see any exact marriage right now at this point of time, but definitely I do see patch up. I do see new beginnings for you, right? I do see your life will slowly start moving forward. Now, it might not be a big change, right? You might not jump into a relationship immediately, right? Especially if you're looking for a new person, or you might not immediately get married or engaged, but you will at least meet that person in the last week of February. So it's going to be important for you, Cancers. If you guys resonated with my reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. If this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do comment and let me know. My announcement is that I do personal readings as well. So if you still have any questions in your mind, those specific questions which were not covered in this general reading, you can always, or it's related to your career or any other thing, you can book a reading with me. You can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me on the Moksha Tarot also. Please don't forget to follow my Instagram channel, the Moksha Tarot, because you'll get a lot of updates that I post, which is about to happen on my YouTube channel. And also I've started membership, about which I've already posted on my Instagram. It's like a community that I'm creating of my YouTube. It's a community level 1, and level 2 is inside community. So please go subscribe my channel, take that community. What will happen, you will get a lot of perks because of that member. So if you're a member of my channel, not subscribe, that's different. First you'll have to subscribe, which is like no charges. Then you'll have to become a member, which is very minimal charge. On that charge, you'll get a lot of perks, a lot of loyalty badges, and also you will get a chance to participate with me in the live Q&A session that I do every Friday and Saturday, 10:30 p.m. Okay, there I answer all your questions free of cost. So if you want to join that, you can join that, or you can book a reading with me. Again, my reading is very minimal charge. My maximum charge is 100 and my minimum charge is I think 170 rupees. So it's not heavy on your pocket at all. It is kept like that because I want to reach the masses. I want maximum people to get clarity in their life. Okay. So please utilize the service, ask as many questions as you want, because this will not be heavy on your pocket. Until then, take care and I will see you soon. Bye bye.